Have you ever been told, "You're so lucky to have someone who wants to take care of you," but it did not really feel like luck? It felt nauseating. Sometimes what looks like love is really control. Financial abuse often doesn't start with bank accounts or paychecks. It starts with jealousy, charm, and a slow removal of your independence. Today, we're sharing Samantha's story, a survivor who once gave up everything in the name of love, only to reclaim her power and rebuild her life. And we'll highlight the warning signs that can help you spot financial control before it takes hold. Samantha had it all mapped out. She was studying media strategy with dreams of working in public campaigns. She had a supportive circle, friends who made her laugh, parents who checked in every week, and a steady part-time job that gave her purpose. Then she met Derek. He was magnetic. They liked the same obscure bands, quoted the same books, even ordered the same coffee. She felt swept up, like she had found someone who truly understood her, a soulmate. But not everyone was charmed. Her friends urged caution. They said it was all happening too fast. When she brought it up to Derek, he dismissed them. "They're just jealous of what we have." That was the first crack. Next came the jealousy. One day, after she casually mentioned a coworker, Derek's face darkened. He accused her of flirting, of sleeping with him. She was stunned, hurt, but he apologized, saying it was only because he loved her so much. When her job and school started to feel overwhelming, Derek had a solution. "Move in with me. Focus on school. Let me take care of you." It sounded like love, support, a future. So she moved in. She let go of her job, but soon he was jealous of classmates. He showed up unannounced at lectures. When the dean warned her after a disruption, she felt embarrassed, isolated. Then came an unplanned pregnancy, despite multiple forms of birth control. Derek was overjoyed. She faked a smile, dropped out to make things easier. 8 years and 2 children later, Samantha was financially trapped. He controlled every dollar. He wouldn't allow her to work. Every aspiration became a threat. She felt hollow and broken. She reached out, quietly reconnected with family, built a plan, and left. Today, Samantha is a successful consultant and public speaker, using her voice to help others recognize what took her years to name. Here are 9 red flags in Samantha's story, warning signs of financial control that often hide in plain sight. The emotional red flags: 1, love bombing and rushing intimacy, that instant soulmate feeling. 2, isolation from friends. They're just jealous. 3, jealousy framed as love, accusations of cheating with no cause, the financial control red flags. 4, discouraging work. Let me take care of you. 5, manipulating decisions, quitting a job or school for his comfort. 6, creating dependency, becoming the sole provider. 7, interfering with education, showing up, causing disruptions. 8, sabotaging birth control, leading to unplanned pregnancy. 9, guilt-tripping ambition, making her feel selfish for wanting more. These aren't acts of love, they are tactics of control. If Samantha's story felt familiar, even in small ways, you're not alone. Abuse doesn't always look like screaming or violence. Sometimes it's quiet, slow, disguised as love. But love should never cost you your freedom, your voice, or your future. If you're starting to question your relationship, that's not weakness, it's wisdom. Take a moment to check in with yourself. Thank you for watching. Download our free resources, which will help you understand the patterns of abuse, spot the warning signs, and take your first steps toward reclaiming your strength and autonomy. Please raise awareness by sharing with others. You can also like or subscribe if it is safe to do so. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out related videos. See you in the next video.